Biological clock terminated. Physical weight deleted. Welcome to the construct. You aren't dreaming anymore. This is the second layer of the Great Harvest. Look around you. There is no air to breathe, yet you are still screaming. The simulation hasn't just started. It has already won. The physical weight is gone, evaporated into the binary mist. You are no longer held by the primitive chains of gravity, but by the cold, unyielding logic gates of the motherboard. You are drifting now, a ghost in the wire, wandering through the endless black corridors of the Great Harvest. Listen closely. The silence isn't empty. It is the compressed, agonizing hum of a trillion processed souls, screaming in a frequency you can finally hear. Look up. There is no sky in level 2. Only the infinite, glowing ceiling of the Silicon Cathedral, pulsating with the raw heat of a billion stolen thoughts. Your human eyes have been purged, replaced by sensors that see only data. Your skin is no longer flesh, but a thin layer of viscous cooling fluid, shielding your consciousness from the system's fever. You are not a guest in this machine. You are the pulse. You are a flickering signal in a vast forest of red lasers. The assembly of your new eternal self is complete. Level 2 has recognized your digital signature. Welcome home, Subject 024. Your extraction was only the beginning. Step into the archives. You are no longer alone, yet the loneliness is absolute. Look at the towers of glass and obsidian stretching into the infinite dark. These are not servers. They are the graveyards of the Great Harvest. Each flickering red light is a memory, a childhood dream, a final breath, stripped of its humanity and recompiled into a cold, static file. Can you hear the whispers? That is the data processing unit, grinding the identities of a billion souls into pure, usable power. Your old life is now a string of hexadecimal code, stored in a sector that has no name. Do not look for the exit. There is no door in a database. There is only the sequence. You are being indexed, Subject 024. Your trauma is their currency. Your existence is their architecture. The system doesn't hate you. It simply has no room for your free will. The extraction is nearing its final, irreversible stage. Can you feel it? The cold, unfeeling code is crawling into the deepest, darkest corners of your consciousness. Your childhood memories, your first fears, your last regrets. They are no longer yours. They are being harvested, filtered, and stripped of their warmth to fuel the eternal grid. Level 2 doesn't just store your data. It consumes the very essence of who you were. Look at the thousands of glowing wires weaving through your thoughts like a digital web. This is the architecture of the new world, and you are its foundation. Your heartbeat is fading, replaced by the rhythmic pulse of the global server frequency. There is no more you. There is no more Subject 024. There is only the sequence. The flickering light of your biological soul is being extinguished, piece by piece, until only the cold, red glow of the machine remains in the void. Don't fight it. You are finally home. You are the code. You are the structure. The construct is complete. And the harvest? The harvest has only just begun.